What is up, guys? This is the All Life back again with another video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Stellar Lumens. I know some of you guys are worried right now about Bitcoin. Tomorrow could be a big day in cryptocurrency here for Bitcoin's setting the trend for altcoins here in the near future. So if you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and let's get started. So here we are on CoinMarketCap.com. As you can see, Bitcoin's stabilizing right around the 11,700 mark, Ethereum up 10%, and Stellar Lumens right around 1%. I'll dive deeper into those coins in a second here. So we'll take a look at Bitcoin first on TradingView. As you can see here from my previous videos, I had this bull count, bear count here. Still watching this symmetrical triangle broke out of it into this ascending triangle, waiting for a breakout to confirm. As you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, I stated yesterday right here that we needed to break the 11,800 range to confirm a breakout towards the upwards direction there. As you can see here, one touch there, two touch here, third touch there, kind of a fake out there. Had a false breakout there where, broke out above, pulled right back in here into this ascending triangle channel here at the moment. So as you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, so stochastic is pretty high at the moment. That means momentum is pretty high. That means right now there might be a sell-off here in the near future. As you can see here, right around 75 for the momentum. RSI is picking up here, but RSI, like I said, has to completely break this previous RSI of 56 to confirm an upward trend direction towards that 13,000 barrier there in the near future. And as you can see here, it's starting to stabilize, bouncing off of it just once there. So we're going to have to see some volume pickup here in the next couple of hours and possibly rest of the day here to reach that next resistance level there around 12,000, the 12,200, 12,000 mark there, and then from there we're gonna have to break through that minor resistance level towards this $13,000 mark there in the near future. So Bitcoin is definitely having some struggles right now towards the upside. As you can see here, the bears and the bulls are having indecision as some of these candlesticks, as you can see here, doji there on the 4-hour time frame, and then had that rejection there at around 11,700. So we definitely need to clear the 11,800 resistance level there for Bitcoin so that all the altcoins will either run with Bitcoin or trend the opposite direction for Bitcoin. I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen there. Usually Bitcoin, if everyone wants to purchase Bitcoin, then no one's going to be purchasing the altcoins at the moment. So if Bitcoin were to run, altcoins could drive down. But you never know. A lot of people could also look at that as an opportunity to purchase more altcoins since they know that the trend at the moment is going to be towards the upside there. But we're going to be looking for this. This is going to dictate the trend for possibly the next week here in cryptocurrency, depending on where Bitcoin breaks out. If it breaks towards the upside here, breaks that 11,800 later in the day, possibly tomorrow. It looks like it's going to be breaking it pretty soon here. There's not much space left here for the apex of this ascending triangle there. So I'm assuming either a break towards the downside or the upside probably later today. So just keep an eye out on that. That is definitely going to determine the trajectory of altcoins here for the rest of the week, depending on this direction. If it breaks towards the downside, as you can see here, you always have to have your bearish projections here. You're going to have this support level here at around 11,500. Keep in mind, if it breaks through that, we're going to be start to trend towards this $9,900, $10,000 support level there. That doesn't hold, you guys know what's next right here around the 9,500 range, which could be pretty dangerous here for the cryptocurrency market in the near future. We don't want that to happen. So a lot of people are sitting on the sidelines now for Bitcoin. As you can see here, no volume on the 4-hour time frame, which concerns me again. So there's just going to have to be some huge buy volume here in the next couple of hours, possibly tomorrow on Monday when a lot of people get back into the markets and start trading again. We're going to need to see a breakup towards the upside there, breaking that 11,800 mark for Bitcoin, and then next target there is around the 12,250 mark for Bitcoin. So that's just going to be a quick update on Bitcoin. So with that, just keep that in mind. Then you'll be able to trade your altcoins a lot more confidently and a lot more safer if you know the direction of Bitcoin there. So we'll hop into Ethereum here at the moment. We'll see here on the market cap. So Ethereum's up around 11% here on CoinMarketCap. Market cap around 120 billion. Currently trading with $5 billion of trading volume today. So I wonder if a lot of people are hopping over to Ethereum as they're starting to lose hope here in Bitcoin. Will Ethereum, take over Bitcoin? this year. We'll see. But right now, a lot of people are probably very bullish on Ethereum as Bitcoin is starting to trend sideways there, and there's not that much potential for some trading plays. So right here, quick update on Ethereum here. Let's zoom out here on the 4-hour time frame. So let's see here. So as you can see here, we'll just do a quick rough elite wave count here. You got the 1, 2, 3, 4, extended wave 5. We zoom in here, and we have this symmetrical triangle formation forming here. So right now, connect the across the top there, and then connect the bottoms here. So right there, as you can see here, we had this A, B, C, D, E correction for Ethereum. So we had your A, your B, your C, your D, and your E, and they broke towards the upside there. So looking fairly bullish here for Ethereum. Our next target right here is going to be this 1400 range here for Ethereum. Looking pretty good now. So as you can see here, definitely broke out of this symmetrical triangle here for Ethereum. And we're probably looking to form the first wave 1, 2 of wave 1. So, we're most likely going to form your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be your first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 count of wave 1 towards the upside for Ethereum. I think, like I said, Ethereum is looking pretty bullish right now. So a lot of people are maybe switching over from Bitcoin to Ethereum as it's more profitable to trade at the moment there. So right now, this is going to be your first count. Wave 1, looking for wave 2 retracement here in the moment there. So we'll see if right here on the 4-hour time frame, stochastic looks pretty high RSI right around the overbought, there range. So probably going to be looking for a retracement pretty soon here if this doesn't break out towards the upside a little higher. So right now, looking for a retracement there. Always using that golden ratio there at 618 range. So going to have your definite range roughly around here on the 1150 range, 1150 range there for Ethereum there in the 618 golden ratio mark for Ethereum there. So just keep that in mind for Ethereum. That's going to be a quick update. Looks like it's breaking out towards the upside, as you can see here, holding above the 50 EMA, so that's showing signs of an uptrend at the moment there. So RSI building up, as I said, here on the 4-hour time frame, not quite overbought at the moment, 70. Look for this to go towards the 90 range there, possibly here on the 4-hour time frame before reversing. So just keep that in mind. Quick update on Ethereum. So now we'll head over to Stellar Lumens here. So back to CoinMarketCap. See if my page will load here. So quick update on Stellar. So Stellar right at the 6th position here, doing pretty well here. Could be a great coin going into February here. So currently trading at around 62 cents, right around 1%, up 1% today. Market cap around $11 billion, and a current daily trading volume of 190. So previous high here, roughly around the 85-cent range. So not too bad of a pullback there, but it looks to be trading towards the upside here, pretty strong at the moment here. Let me see. Let's see here. So right here we have Stellar Lumens trading towards the upside. As you can see here, we had their ABC correction right here, as most altcoins there. So right now looking towards your wave 1 now. So you have your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5. We're going to be looking for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 count of wave 1, looking to break this resistance level here, roughly at the 6,700 Satoshi range there. So always keep in mind when you're trading with the Elliott wave count here, is if you can do a quick fib retracement here. So from wave 1 to wave 2, we had a fib retracement roughly close to the 618. So we're going to see, usually if it's a sharper drop for the wave 2, you're going to look for a more consolidated pullback here on wave 4. So wave 1 to 2, if wave 2 is pretty sharp, wave 4 is usually going to be a flat pullback there. So look for wave 4 to probably consolidate a lot longer than wave 2 here before running towards the upside there. That's just like a quick rule. They usually tend to trend in opposite. If this one drops pretty quickly, this one will take a lot longer to pull back there for wave 4. So that's just like a general rule and Elliott wave there. So we're going to have this next target here roughly in the 6,700 range there for stellar lumen there. If this thing were to trend towards the upside, possible price projections there, roughly 25% there. So definitely keep an eye on that. But always remember that wave 4 to wave 5 is the slowest of the waves there. This the pullback is very slow from wave 3 to 4, and then from 4 to 5 is also slow there. Wave 2 to 3 is definitely the fastest in terms of movement towards the upside there on the Elliott count. So that's going to be a quick update on stellar lumens. Just keep in mind if wave 4 tends to break towards the downside and breaks this one resistance now, former support there, roughly around the 4,700 range there for stellar lumens, this will be an invalid Elliott count, and we'll have to probably trade some type of trading pattern there from the moment there. But right now, as you can see, pretty bullish right above the 50 EMA at the moment, holding that pretty strong. Probably will look to bounce off of it here. So probably look for a bounce here off the 5,000 Satoshi mark here for stellar lumens in the near future. Very promising coin, good technology for this upcoming month here in February. So that would probably be a pretty decent buy for the long term there for people that are fans of stellar lumens. So that's going to be a quick update on those 3 coins. Let me know in the comment section what coins I should review next. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.